Hi, I'm Kaushy Patel. Welcome to Prashad in Bradford. We're going to make the stuffed aubergine curry. Today I'm very exciting to show you. First we're going to grind the peanuts. Then I'm going to put my homemade fresh coriander, dry coriander, and the cumins, and then I put whole cumin, 1 teaspoon. Then I'm going to put the red chili, which is always my chilies and everything I make home. So that's red chili. Then I'm going to put some turmeric, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon turmeric, and you can put some salt. That's what I always think myself. Little bit pinch, little bit sugar, half teaspoon. And then I'm making fresh ginger paste, 1.5 teaspoon. And then fresh coriander, which is very nice and fresh. And then you got to put some oil in. I would say 1 big spoon of oil. And then you got to mix it, the all masala mixed nicely. And then you've got to find the very nice and small baby aubergine, and then you got to cut it halfway, 1 piece, and then you go through again half of aubergine. At the same time you can have a nice baby new potatoes, making the half, and then you're going to stuff the masala on the aubergine nicely, very nicely, like this. And then rest of all potatoes, because of potatoes is very hard, so you can't stuff in, so you just leave half off, and then you can mix it all masala right through to the potatoes, and then you can pour it in the pots. When you put in the water in the curries, always put the boiled water in, then his curry is cooking really such a nice way. And then you leave for the cooking 20 minutes. This is the ready curry, ready to serve.